then this is the verse I was recalling. This is the one. This is 1031. 10th chapter, 33rd, 10th canto, 33rd chapter, verse 31. Ishvaranam vacha satyam tate vacharitam kvachit tesham yat sap vacho yuktam buddhimams tat samacharet. The statements of God or Krishna's powerful Ishvaras are always true, and the acts they perform are exemplary when consistent with those statements. Therefore, one who is intelligent should carry out their instructions. It's a very important verse. It says, samacharit, buddhi man, samacharit. It's talking about vacha satyam. The words they speak are true. Then it says achar. The achar kvachit is sometimes different. So now, back to the guru and this point about the tumble. Is that why the final word, when you have some confusion or doubt about Shastra or about this story, is what your guru says. So, what the guru's guru uvacha, the words of guru, we should follow all of his teachings and all of his instructions, and that's what it says here. Because they're our guru, they're a powerful controller, they're the Kripa Shakti Murti, so we follow his teachings, his instructions. That's what it says here. The statements of empowered, what the guru says, that's what it means. Ishvaranam vacha satyam. Very important point. Whatever my guru says is true. Because he's an Ishvara. He's an Ishvara, a controller of his disciples. And he's engaging all the disciples in the service of Parameshwara Sri Krishna and Parameshwari Radha. However, his achar, sometimes he says, the acts they perform, it says they become tateva acharitam. When they do some activity, they're exemplary if those activities are supported by Shastra. You can easily understand this. It's a very important point. So, what is the Guru telling me? What's he telling me? Is it in Shastras? Yes. And whatever he says is true, I should follow his instructions. To put it simply, my mother used to have a phrase. She used to say, do as, it's a very, and she didn't know this verse, I don't think so. She used to say, when I grew up, she used to say, do as I say, not as I do.